Hey, you. Yep, that's right, I'm talking to you. You ever wonder how I blow all the competition away in the co-living space? I'm standing right here in Winter Haven, Florida. I got 50 units and projected to do over $500,000 in revenue in 2026 alone. I want you guys to be a part of that. Join me on the walkthrough today so you can see all the tips and secrets. So the number one tip I have for you guys who are doing co-living operations, make sure your property is well kept on the exterior, just as nice as it is on the interior. As a co-living operator, the outdoors are just as important as the indoors. The outdoors are actually an extension of the indoors. Think about it. You want your members to come out here and enjoy the yard, reading a book, or watching football on a Sunday. And guess who also is going to appreciate it? Your neighbors. The people who live in front of you, behind you, across from you. These individuals can see that you keep your property well kept and are running a very professional operation. Sometimes you just have to step into something completely new. Here's my top reasons why I think you should become a co-living operator. One is maybe you're a long-term landlord and you're tired of tenants not paying you month over month, and you can't even make your mortgage payment because of insurance and property taxes has skyrocketed. Or maybe you're an Airbnb investor and the market has drastically changed and you're no longer getting bookings. So then now your next step is to convert that property into a co-living property. Today, I'm actually sitting in bedroom number 1 in my co-living space that I've created that's gonna make me $800 a month on this one single room, and I get to spread my risk really wide. Guess what? If one person stops paying, I have 9 other members that are paying my bills every single month. If you wanna be in that position, make sure you DM me the word co-living, and I'm gonna give you my 100% free blueprint and how I scaled to 50 units in the co-living space and how I'm projected to go into 2026 over $500,000 in revenue. One of the things that I have recently, over the last 24 months, implemented into my real estate portfolio is called co-living. That's where you actually take a property, you add bedrooms to the dead space. So you take away the living room, the dining room, any dead space that's just collecting dust. You put up walls and you create bedrooms out of it. The bedrooms actually give you revenue every single month. My average bedroom in my property rents for $800 a month. That's across my entire portfolio. I'm actually at the property that you guys have all been waiting for. I know all my viewers have been so excited to see the transition